What's good, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. So today, as you can see from the, I will be changing out the spark plugs on my car. Yeah, as you can see, I got the spark plugs here. It's been overdue for me to do the spark plugs, so I'm about to get these done now. It's a super easy job. It shouldn't take me long. I also have coil packs on the way. I wanted to do them at the same time, but I got these here now, so I was like, let me just go ahead and knock these out real quick. So I wanted to do this kind of differently. Sometimes I know I usually have my camera like sitting up to the side or whatever while I do it, but I wanted to do like a more of a POV kind of view so I can see it from my point of view while I work on it. This is super easy. First off, what I have to do is remove this trim over the top. That way I can get to this last coil pack back here. So I gotta move these on both sides, move this trim, and then it's like a bar right here. So to move these right here, I need a 10mm for these three on both sides. It's like a half turn, it's not a full turn. You just turn it like 90 degrees and then those will come up. All right, cool. So now I got those out the way. You move these up like this. And just turn those out the way on both sides. Okay, so usually this black wire right here sits in this, but it's not. It's only in on this side. So just fold that out of there. All right, and then you pull this trim off all the way across. Set this to the side. Okay. So these right here are 16mm that I gotta get out. And I believe these are 14mm that I gotta get out here. Yeah, those real quick. All right, so now I gotta get these 14mm bolts right here. Okay, so with these two bolts out on the side and these up here, you gotta pull this little strut bar out. And then you got this little cover right here. Just make sure you watch out for this vacuum line. You do not want to break that vacuum line. These 10mm bolts right here, 1, 2, 3, and then 1, 2, 3. All right, cool. So now we move this out the way. Be careful of the vacuum line right here. You just lift up, slide this forward first, then just move this out the way. Okay, so now we have all 6 of the coil packs exposed. So this is very easy. I forgot what this is. I believe this right here is an E8 or an E10. You just screw these off, but they don't come all the way off. They're captive, so once you unscrew them, they won't even fall out, and then you have to get these tabs off of each one. But yeah, these are E8s. And they don't come out. I'll show you in a second. Let me just get all of these screwed off first. All right, once you get the tab up, all you do is push it in and it should slide straight out just like that. I don't know why I break these so easily, bro. I'm not the biggest fan of any type of, like I've broken this one, I've broken this one, I didn't break that one yet. But yeah, all you do is, I'll show you on the 4th one here, you just move this tab up. Move the tab up like that, then push it in, slide straight off just like that. You do it on all 6 of them. so now that we have all 6 of these disconnected right here, now is my favorite part. I don't know why this sound is just so satisfying to me, but when you pull the coil pack out, it makes like a funny little noise. But I like how it sounds. Hold on, I'm gonna show you. Bro, that's the most funniest and most satisfying sound ever. Then where's my tool? Yeah. So what you do, take your spark plug tool, put it into the cylinder head, make sure that's firm on there. You just take it out. I already did the first one off camera. I forgot to turn the camera on, but yeah, it's a very, it takes time to get these out because the screw is very long on these. But you take these out. Once you take them out, you always check your sparks just to make sure that your engine is performing healthy. And like I said, you'll hand tighten this all the way in until you feel some resistance, and then you'll torque down the spec. So I'm not gonna record me doing this whole thing. So I will be back once I'm putting everything back together. And now what we're going to do is take the torque wrench right here. You're supposed to have it set to 23 Newton meters. So that's what I got it set to. And then you go through, you go through and you torque to spec. Here. You just go through one by one. You just do this to all of them. Okay, cool. So now what we're going to do, well, we're pretty much done. So now what I'm gonna do, put the engine bay back together. But yeah, man, that's it for this DIY spark plug change. So I do have my coil packs also on the way. Another thing is I just spoke about my coolant loss in my PLV drive video. So I have 2 separate coolant caps on the way because these can get worn out. And once they get worn out, you could be losing coolant that way. So what I will be doing is just replacing these and seeing if my coolant issue goes away. If not, I will be taking the engine apart and replacing all the O-rings on the coolant lines. So that's gonna be it for this video here. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you guys hit that like button, subscribe if you have not already. That's gonna be it for this video here, guys. Peace out.